In 2020, state of Missouri employees rolled over $75 million into the MO Deferred Comp Plan. As a state employee, or if you've left state employment but still have a balance with the plan, you have the option to roll money into your deferred comp account from a qualified retirement plan, 457B, 401A, 401K, 403B, or traditional IRA account, as well as your backdrop funds from either MOSERS or MPERS. State employees roll their money into the deferred comp plan for many reasons, including access to one of the lowest cost plans in the entire nation. Deferred comp savers pay only $3 a quarter plus 0.09% of assets. Access to a simplified custom investment lineup. Convenient online account access, consolidated accounts, and dependable, trustworthy customer service. If you want to roll money into the MO Deferred Comp Plan, you can start the process by logging into Account Access, hovering over the Overview menu option, and choosing Move Your Money. You can also reach out to our team of education specialists for assistance or review the plan's step-by-step guide to rolling money into the MO Deferred Comp Plan flyer for directions.